The G7500 camera can be adjusted in a few simple steps. To bring up camera controls, select Menu via the remote or touch the menu button on the screen. Select the camera icon. You now have the choice to move the camera, turn the camera off or create and select presets. To move the camera, select Control. Here you can pan, tilt and zoom. The camera icon in the middle of the controller allows you to control the far-end camera. If allowed, the off button will block your video feed from the far side and replace it with a camera off icon. The preset button allows you to quickly jump to room presets, create new presets, or delete presets.